And let's proceed to an actual practical example of a runic divination. It was performed by me. My question was, what awaits Laura in her love life in the coming year? So then I pulled out 3 runes, as you see on this photo. The left rune is Ansus, the rune in the middle is Kenas, and the right rune is Teos. Now let's try to interpret these runes. So there is a usual spread of 3 rune spread, and usually the left one rune represents the past, the middle one is the present, and the right one is the future. So in this spread, the right one rune Ansus represents the past. So in this context of the question, Ansus could mean communication or thoughts. And I interpret it as in the past, Laura had a lot of positive communication in her love life, or also maybe she had some good constructive thoughts about how to approach her personal romantic endeavors. So now the present, it's the Kenas. Kenas is the rune of fire, of passion. And in the present, I see that there is an energy of this fire and passion, so I can interpret it that currently Laura has this energy in her love life. So it seems natural that after good communication and a good Ansus energy, that it naturally translates into Kenas, because Kenas is actually the rune of the romance and passion. And for what regards to the future, the Teos is like a male energy of discipline, of power, of victory. And I could interpret it that in the future, Laura will have such a man with her, maybe her husband, that will be a mature, strong, disciplined man. So this is how I interpret these runes that I have pulled out.